Okay, sorry. Then, nag-stop. So, part 2. So, binuksan ko na yung Crystal Ball Nightlight 3D. So, okay. I'm scared. Okay. Ayan, so... Oh God. Okay, ano siya? So, sasaksak na natin. Wait, ayusin ko yung camera. Okay, don't mind my grippers. Okay. Saksak na natin. Oh, wrong one. Wait, ba't kasi yung hirap? Okay. Oh my gulay. Okay, patayin natin yung ilaw.